Good morning, students. So, the student of class 6, today I am going to take your English class, chapter 2, the cherry tree. Okay, so I will explain the chapter. Okay, so since the chapter is so long, I will make it into two parts. Okay, so first part I will explain. First part 1. Okay, part 1. Again, in my second video, I will give you part 2. So, see, the cherry plant about the Rakesh, the boy, dig the ground with a spade and plant a seed, okay, of cherry tree in his grandfather's garden, where he lives in Missouri. Okay, the plant is in the corner of the garden, protected from the wind and snow. Clear? However, soon soon what happened after planting the seed, Rakesh forgot about the seeds and busy with listening to his grandfather's stories and also with the schools, okay, and reading newspaper for his grandfather. Meanwhile, what happened? The seed continued to grow. Winter passed and spring arrived. One day, Rakesh was observing the bird when he suddenly noticed the plant which he has grown into a twig. That cherry seed now grown into a what? Twig. Okay. And birds came there. And the twig with one or two leaves. He realized the cherry which he had planted a year ago. Rakesh showed his grandfather the cherry twig. Grandfather advised Rakesh to take care of that plant. Okay, now and water it. Rakesh also circled the plant with a fables. Fables. Okay, for protection. Now Rakesh's interest arised, and what happened? Every morning he observed the plants growing but is left disappointed with its slow growth. Okay, because means the plant is not growing fast. Okay, it is taking time. Now the monsoon season approach and the cherry plant grows fast, started to grow faster, and it makes Rakesh excited. The following summer, Rakesh goes home to his parents and works on his farm and helps his parents in sowing and planting crops. But what happened to the cherry plant at the end of the monsoon? He is back with his grandfather. He has grown up, means Rakesh has grown up, and also the cherry tree also grown up. Okay, cherry tree also grown up. Now it has grown up to his chest. The cherry tree has grown up to his chest. Rakesh is getting more attached to his trees now and watering it every day. One day, what happened? One day, Rakesh witnessed an insect on the tree, but he does not try to throw it away. Why? Because it is the first visitor on the cherry trees. Okay, but when he saw a caterpillar fell on a cherry tree leaves, he threw it away. When winter arrives, the plant bugs under the weight of falling snow. Okay, falling snow, what happened? The tree has means covered with the snow. It's not so much, means the snow falls so much that the road from the valley gets covered with snow for several days. Grandfather grows frustrated. Why? Because there were so many everywhere snow and snow, and the road has been what? Everything is closed. So he could not get his newspaper as to read. Everything blocked. As the road is blocked, he is not getting his newspaper. Consequently, his stories also have sad ending now. Clear?